Weston is going to withdraw. The players are going to get.
Yeah, he ran right through the stop sign.
Well,
you know,
He's going to keep going. He's going to keep. Yep. He kept going.
We're a nation of doers.
What are you going to do about it now? Just take your 3-year career, take your little pension, and go home, and strive for greatness every day of your life. And the PR guy, Josh Ruprecht, told his last 2, even though he was the ancient warrior, and got out at the right time. That's right.
How's that? Because Prius, look at that.
100th ranked player in the world, suffered one of the most.
Backup of shame. Don't hit him. That was red. Didn't even stop, Mustang. This is a one-way street. What? I don't think that's an authorized U-turn. Nope. I slowed down to let him in. Exit dive.
Okay, so
there hasn't been payment for a while.
Okay, no payment. So I would reiterate with that deed in lieu of foreclosure that instead of filing a legal process and going through foreclosure and all of this.
Salvatore Tom Mix Santoro, the underboss, and Christopher Christie Tick Funaro, the consigliere. They met with Salerno to review the question of barring Rusty Rastelli from the commission.
To Jerusalem and getting several Arab countries to move toward diplomatic relations with Israel.
I believe that these are the intent.
Aren't checking on my computer. They have no idea.
Should have all been checked. You know, I was trying to check on things. You got your desk fixed over there?
Yeah, the desk
is left.
Nice.
At this point, Abuso and Paso assumed responsibility for the union workers.
That guy up there.
Also felt that
On the drivers.
But within a matter of months, Skilling sent a clear signal to the rest of the organization that Fastbell
straight from the right turn lane. That was red light run. Nice cutoff.
Yeah. So before you take off on
Jimmy Butler.
I forget Jimmy Butler. I love this. Yeah. Just walked right up to tampering without doing it.
No, it is tampering.
It's not tampering. That's tampering. And players should be
are willing to stand up for themselves, but they're also putting some boundaries in place because they have intentions about what it is they want to accomplish. So I think that is relative to us as we start to think about what are we doing? How are we going about it? What are we doing for ourselves?
I know what you're talking about. Is it? Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Oh my God! If you listen, you gotta go on the internet. You want to go down a rabbit hole. Listen to those the people calling it. How much?
I'll do that white car.
About
This is one of those people that failed at coloring books. Okay, the van I drive is a lot bigger. You don't need that much.
I think you start to take steps, make some sacrifices, look for ways to bring in some additional income, look for ways to cut out the unnecessary inside of your budget right now. And we're not adding.
I was listening to Al yesterday following fantasy. It's into the chamber and
ran right through the stop sign.
Playing her with the
rolled right through the stop.
She looted the company along the way. Nor is the harsh criticism limited to those from Skilling's side of the company. Ego-driven.
That's not how that intersection works. Really? No turn signal on nothing. It's fucking retarded. I have to speak my Boston accent now because dude. Oh, I gotta make a left. Shit.
The skills and the experience, I gotta get a shot. But what they're doing is we're just putting this on there so that we keep people from applying.
Just see you roll up the shoulder, douchebag.
Because I don't have a degree. She didn't know what I was talking about, Olivia. She thought I'd lost my mind.
Looks like I had BMW running up the
thing. I began to tell friends we were moving. I had one friend who said what the word is before I tell you.
No.
No, explore. He needs to.
Oh, whoa! What was that for? Please pull him over. Please pull him over. Are you blind?
And his own fans. But we begin today with reports out of New Orleans by the Athletic and Pro Football Talk that Drew Brees is seriously considering retirement.
That's like an exit way up there.
I want him to do it with Pat Mahomes so people can give him the respect I believe the kid deserves.
Really?
Wow. Yeah.
Do you like the Chiefs' chances of shutting down?
Okay, why is that necessary when the left lane is open? Left lane is open. Wait, why are you going off-road? Just missed your exit? Well, it's not an exit, it's just a rest area. There's another one coming up in like a mile or so.
Bluetooth gives you the confidence in the bed every time. You and your partner will love it. To it and do it.
Oh, run right through the stop.
Visit Bluetooth.com and get your...
Nope.
Measure creates a fund to invest in treatment, housing, and other services for people with substance use disorders. It uses money from Oregon's marijuana tax and the projected savings from arresting fewer people. The New York...
Not even close. Distant second, third, fourth competitors. Like, let's say Gallo's doing 80 million cases a year of sales. And there's other
no U-turn.
50 and 40.
The babysat for the Cassos. She was reliable and trustworthy and loved
really?
children. Both Lillian and Anthony were very fond of her and paid her.
Careful, 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 careful. Backup of shame. Make sure you go in the drive. There you go. But I'm streeing, but I'm dum streeing.
Devices in the homes and hangars.
That's double line.
Highest ranking mafia potentates. From late 1982
so
into
close.
1983.
What was that? Now the Beamer ran out of blinker fluid. It's double lined here. Jumping. No No trucks in the left lane. You better jump in the left lane and get out of there. She jumped in the... I'm trying to do the Pointer Sisters for a song I don't know. I mean, come on. Jump in the left lane. That trucker jumped in the left lane. This is the end of the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and catch you again next week. Hopefully you enjoyed your visit to Massachusetts. You know I haven't.